Ladies and gentlemen, to make a speech, let's make welcome His Excellency, Chief Barrister, Ezenwoye so Wike in getting band. That band go first sing for you. As he dey pain them, he go dey sweet us. As he dey sweet them, he go dey. If that one not true, he go hear. How many then they oh, how many then they? Why we no go win them? I mean, anything we make them as they introduce her, he don't reach the podium. No say he go trend the next morning. First and foremost, the governor cannot come. Hold microphone, but no tap on. You face it. He no trust engineer. They go still plan breeze. You can hear something like this.
Where is the engineer? Please put small volume. You know, this is campaign period. I don't want to shout too much. We have covered over 12 local governments. I don't expect me to be shouting.
Let me, first and foremost, congratulate the young man who is doing the show. I gathered here this evening because the man who is doing the show is a young man who has been hustling. And for you to have hustled from Owerri, come to Lagos in less than 5 years, you have sold terracotta. That means you are doing very... And somebody who is doing very well want to be celebrated. Not be so? Not be so?
Let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you.
Lagos is one place that I've told my friend, the governor, that I will continue to visit him because he's a good man and he's doing well.
But that notwithstanding, the young man is doing very well. And when somebody is doing very well, you tell the person is doing very well. And so I'm here because M.O.P is doing very, very well. He came from Lagos, even if he's a Port Harcourt boy. He lives in Lagos.
Can't leave show where they talk about to go come move to politics.
Flyover 1, flyover 2, flyover 3, flyover 4, flyover 5, flyover 6, flyover 7, flyover 8, flyover 9, flyover 10, flyover 11. We will continue to win them. We will continue to... Because, let me tell you, I don't have problem with anybody. Life is about you balance things. People will say, I don't balance things. No, listen.
You can't come to the Niger Delta, you take what belongs to us, you say it's VAT, you take it back. These people will be taking more than us. Meanwhile, we are the ones producing. Is it done anywhere? It's not done anywhere. So let them know how to do it. But whatever you do, I cannot be in water and soap with my eye. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. Melembe. Because if it didn't do, to fly over for you.
Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Make me do it till you talk. You come begin change the month. Agreement is agreement.
They are dragging political position with me, and I've told them that anywhere they go to, I will win them. I'm not going to win them. They know me. I've told them I know they fear anybody. I know they fear any. Because I will die when God say I will.
They cannot oppress me. And they will not expect me to close my mouth. Come on, down.
Oh, abundole.
Come on, down.
Oh, abundole.
So don't fear. We will go out for this selection and we will win. Not be so. Don't worry. Melembe. We know what we have. Even them, they know what we have. It's not this one they are running up and down. Fa.
Yes, so Wike. So
if you didn't there,
Politicians fear pass anybody for this world. Oh. If you want to follow the fly. Follow the fly for inside plane. Now you go know say politicians they fear. As I enter this morning, we just sit down, business class. I see one honorable, now greet them. Honorable, you know answer me. They can form or they will talk to you in the way you know go here. Yeah, Arinze, how are you doing? I sound fine, sir. I greet them, honorable. I sound fine, sir. We never fly 5 minutes. You know, say these people when they play, they first and foremost, all those announcements what they do for plane, I don't know what they announce for. You could hear in the course of landing on water, something there under your chair, you can who go open door, you go outside, go they wear that thing. Where they go? Then they'll go announce pilot, did they ever talk for plane till something won't happen or maybe they won't land? Everybody when they fly, no time. Pass pilot. Once that time pass, you know they tell, oh boy, we never land. This thing don't with you. What did they happen? What did they happen? Now so we do. It's honorable. One that one way she don't even they talk to me. When time don't pass, 9 o'clock they tell me say, Arinze, we supposed to land by 1:15. What did they happen now? We don't this is now 1:20 something. Now that I require bang bang. Come on, and you know so all those pilots they talk with you the here. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pilot Arinze. I'd like to announce to you that we've been Lagos airspace in the last 20 minutes trying to land you, but the weather is very bad. We've even tried to call Port Harcourt, if we can take you back to Port Harcourt, but they said the weather there is even worse than the one in Lagos. So we are roaming around. We have fuel that will last you for another 10 minutes. So I'd like you to on your phones, call your house people because anything that happens. I shock when one of the honorable just shout, Pilot! I better go where now. So let them be dragging. Me, I will be dragging. One day we'll win. But whatever it is, we are dragging it within the South.
let me first and foremost advise that comedian who just finished performing. He said everything I said. I say, you must go. Be careful. Be very, very careful. I am dealing with politicians. They are crying. You. If I touch you, you will know that something touch you.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.